Looking for a quick and delicious keto snack? How about some homemade Keto Cheese Biscuits? Not only are they easy to make, but they also fit right into your ketogenic diet plan. To whip up these delectable bites, you'll need a quarter cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 egg yolk, and a pinch of black pepper. Start by combining all the ingredients in a bowl. Knead them together until you have a smooth dough. Now, you're ready for the next step. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and preheat your oven to a toasty 220 degrees Celsius. Take your dough and place it between sheets of parchment paper. Using a rolling pin, flatten the dough. Now comes the fun part. Cut the dough into serving-size pieces. Don't forget to prick holes on the surface with a fork. This allows for even baking and gives your biscuits that perfect crunch. Once cut, transfer your soon-to-be biscuits onto the prepared baking sheet. Bake them in your preheated oven for about 6 to 8 minutes. Keep an eye on them to prevent burning. And there you have it, your very own homemade Keto Cheese Biscuits. These biscuits are not only delicious, but also packed with nutritional benefits. Each serving boasts 273 kilocalories of energy. They contain 13 grams of protein, which makes up 19% of the biscuits. The fat content stands at 23 grams, constituting 74% of the biscuits. The carbohydrate content is a mere 4.8 grams, only 7% of the biscuits, and they also have 2 grams of fiber. So, next time hunger strikes and you're in need of a mouth-watering, keto-friendly snack, remember these Keto Cheese Biscuits. They are quick, simple, and oh so delicious. Enjoy!